Okay? Energize the card. We have different skills kasi healing. We energize the cards by doing this one.
Parang you pray it over or something.
Over something like that.
Okay, sige. Let's move on to how we do tarot card reading. Okay.
Simple doing of tarot card reading. Shuffle the card first 7 times, like for this.
Bakit 7 times?
7 is the number of godliness. Or sabihin na natin, para clear yung energy ng card. Okay? And then, like for example, 7 times.
Si Robert Jaworski pala. Godliness. Okay, 7 times. Okay. Touch the card. Yun. Cut the card into 3.
Choose one whole deck. This one. And this will going to use on the reading.
Okay. After that,
I usually do the 4-card reading. Like this one.
ito kasi mga kapuso, kanina nag-choose na ako ng deck of cards at pinasulat na ako ni Sid sa papel yung full name ko and yung birth date and yung signature.